Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Foxy and this is Foxy Books and Planning. Today, I'm sure as many of you can tell by the packaging, I'm doing an EverMoment custom unboxing slash first impression. I have ordered from EverMoment before. They are the company I ordered the custom Afro Girl from last year and was really happy with the quality. I do have a lot of their pictures in my stock as well, or in my inventory. In the to-do paintings. This one, however, is another custom. It is for one of my friends who is really into Pokemon, and a specific Pokemon in particular. But before we get into it, as always, if you've ever seen an EverMoment unboxing before, they are one of the few stores that does the hard cylinder containers, and they have this beautiful packaging with their labels and the bow. So I've already popped it open. I haven't looked at it yet. Just waiting to do that with y'all. Alright. So we've got what looks like a little roll of EverMoment branded washi tape. Baggies, lots of baggies. That's actually kind of cool. A bag of baggies. And then the toolkit, which has my favorite tweezers, a pen, another boat, and some wax. And then, whoop, package 2 of 2 on the diamonds. And that's a lot of purples and pinks, as I expected. Please tell me about packages. Oh, sorry, I hit the camera with my tube. Alright, see, there's package 1 of 2. Lots of black and purple. Alright, and there we go. So that's the picture. Focus. Oh, there we go. Focus. So this is a 60 by 75. It is a custom of this Gengar picture. Oh. And they've improved this since last time. So the back of the inventory sheet actually tells you how to do your inventory. That they only sell on AliExpress, and that if you have any problems to contact their customer service email. It's actually really well written. So this has 32 colors, mostly purples and blacks, like I thought it was going to be. And let's take a look at this canvas. And I'm not quite sure how much of a good look I'm going to be able to give y'all, since it is such a large picture, but we're gonna try. Alright, so 3 pieces going across. Let's see, let's start over here and see how this goes. So plus is 552. There is no 310 in here, but there is 939, which I'm actually amazed. I was worried that there was going to be a lot of 310 in here. Just a little bit of light bubbling. So there's one piece. See if I can get this middle guy up. Come on. There's the middle. Oh, yeah, this is gonna look kind of cool when it's done. And let's not knock my beverage off the table or put my canvas in the wet spot. I'll take a look around this corner. But yeah, perfect as always. The symbols are incredibly clear. And it's going to be a lot of purple and black stripes. A lot of purple and black stripes. Let's see, do I bother doing have this. Oh yeah, I need to try and at least attempt to flatten it. So for those of you who don't know, the reason why we actually pick stuff up before we work on it is so that we can actually, it's one of the tricks to help flatten the canvases after they've been rolled up. Some canvases do it better than others, and it really depends. Yeah, that's gonna look really cool when it's done. It's just gonna be the getting it done. So other things about this, I ordered this early August. It arrived today, which is September the 3rd. It did get lost for a little bit over the weekend after it cleared customs, but it found me, which I'm happy about because the first time I ordered from EverMoment, depending on which videos you've seen of mine, my first EverMoment custom actually ended up in somebody else's box of mattress and pillows. And they actually hand-delivered it to my door. Yeah, that's gonna be really cool when it's done. So that's that. This is a custom, so it's a little bit more expensive. I think this guy ran me around $80, but my friend who I'm doing it for is really, really, really into Gengar. Like, she and my fiance both play, what is it? Whatever the Pokemon game is for the Switch, not the new versions of like the regular games that are coming out, but like the special ones that came out that were the Pikachu and Eevee versions. I didn't get the papers down exactly flat. Oh well. But yeah, so they both play, I think it's the Pikachu version. And they had a trading day where he traded her for all of her Ghastlies, and she gave him all the Ghastlies, and he gave her all his Gengars, so she has like 20 Gengars or something in her stash. All right, so now that we've got a canvas looked at, EverMoment canvases, always amazingly quality. They're really nice quality canvas, especially for ordering directly from China. I've never had any complaints about them. All right, so I'm going to try and speed through inventory. EverMoment inventory is a little more complicated simply because they send you they send you large baggies, and then you have to do the counts yourself. And actually, because I didn't do this earlier, taking a gander, yeah, 552 is my largest with 15,000 diamonds. Everything else is in the 1,000 to 5,000 range. Well, actually, no, I lied. There's 16,939s. So there's going to be a lot of really dark blue and a lot of this purpley color that I haven't quite figured out which one oh, it's this color. So it's going to be this color and that color together for the majority of it. But I'm going to do inventory, and I'll speed this section up so you don't have to, hear me count to myself. And I'll come back for final thoughts. Oh, and for those of you who don't know, in case, and I know I showed you the back of the paper, which explains it a little bit. These little bags, which are the normal size bag that you get with diamond paintings, the number of drills in here averages between about 180 drills, but we're told to count them as 200, and then the big ones are 800 to 1,000, and then we normally count these as 1,000. So one big bag equals 5 little bags. Sometimes you'll see where they'll do medium bags, but those are really rare. Like really, really, really rare. And I will shut up now and get back to inventory. All right, I lied. There is 310 in here. There are 3,310s, which I'm not going to complain. It could be worse. It could be 20,000 of them. But yeah, so I was wrong. There are indeed 310s. If someone wanted to come at me or correct me in the comments, please, actually, before you correct me, thank you very much. And yeah, I know, I must have just skipped it because I'm very used to my paintings not having 310 in them. I don't know where to put this stuff when I'm done. Right. These are all freezing there. All right, so all of my colors are here. I'm quite impressed with the drills so far. Not a single broken bag. All the drills look to be in fairly good condition. I won't know until I actually break it open to start kitting out, but it looks good for now. I did want to take one quick gander because I'm curious to see what the mouth on this Gengar is made out of in terms of colors. Overall, it's EverMoment. I love EverMoment. Never been unhappy with them. Their customer service is on point. Probably easier to go this way. And I love their canvases. I love their stuff. Yeah, that's 52. So the whites are 5200, which is a really bright white, which will work out really great and will make that mouth pop. Those highlights. Yeah. I'm really stoked to be doing this for her, and I really hope I get this done in a relatively quick manner. I do have one that has the guinea pig that I've been working on in my drill with me's has to be done by the end of September, and then I have a Christmas present to work on but then I think this one is going to be next up, and I might actually intersperse this one with a couple of my smaller ones so that I don't get completely drowned on the sheer size and magnitude of this guy. But once I finish him, he will be the largest one I've completed to date. So really happy with it, always happy with EverMoment. Highly recommend them for any of your customs needs. They're always really good about helping with multiple options for sizing. And yes, they are a little bit more expensive than the other shops on AliExpress, but they are worth the money, in my personal opinion. With that, this has been Foxy Books and Planning. Comment down below what you think. If you think I'm crazy for going this big on this picture, what you think of EverMoment or any other diamond painting companies. Love to chat with y'all in the comments down below. But with that, I will see you in my next video, and I hope you have a good rest of your day. Bye!